Introducing the FRIZCOL Stroller Fan, the ultimate portable fan designed to keep you and your baby cool during hot summer days. Equipped with a powerful 6,000 mAh battery, this rechargeable fan offers up to 24 hours of continuous use, ensuring you don't have to worry about frequent charging. The fan features an upgraded, flexible tripod made from safe, non-toxic materials, allowing you to easily attach it to a stroller, car seat, or any surface. With 360 degrees rotation and bendable legs, you can adjust the fan to any angle for optimal airflow. The FRIZCOL Stroller Fan is baby-friendly, with soft wind settings and a protective fan cover to keep little fingers safe. The quiet brushless motor operates at less than 25 decibels, so your baby can sleep peacefully while staying cool. Versatile and lightweight, this fan is perfect for use at home or on the go, whether you're camping, traveling, or just enjoying a day out. The FRIZCOL Stroller Fan is your must-have gadget for a refreshing, comfortable summer.